Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm participating in the Winter Coffee Beverage Bar Collab 2019 and it's hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Kenya's Decor Corner. So we're starting off on a fresh canvas and now I'm going to use this really cute mailbox that I purchased at the Dollar Tree and I'll be putting in my hot chocolate packets in it. I am hot gluing a glass candlestick holder to the bottom of the mailbox to give it a nice elevation. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say hi and welcome in. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you would give me a thumbs up. And to my returning subscribers and friends and family, thank y'all so much for stopping in. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I purchased these adorable mitten containers at the Dollar Tree. I am filling them with peppermint sticks and marshmallows. I will be using this real pretty tin box that I found at the Dollar Tree and I will display my coffee in it. It looks real festive. I purchased this beautiful Christmas container hat at the Goodwill in the beginning of summer for $3.99. I'm so happy about this. My poinsettias will look just so beautiful in here and on the coffee bar. These adorable sweater mugs came from Big Lots a few years ago and I really do enjoy them. I will be placing my mugs on this plastic serving platter from the Dollar Tree. Look how cute this is. And for a lift and stability, I'll be placing it on the cake stand. And it will go on the coffee bar. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men. Luke 2:14. I purchased this beautiful white Arctic bird at our local grocery store, H-E-B, and I think it is just so precious. I just think this mailbox is too cute. And the hot chocolate packets look like real letters. Y'all can actually use this for letters to Santa for your grandkids or your children. I hope this video encouraged you and inspired you to be creative this winter season with your coffee bar. I want to wish each and every one of you a beautiful, blessed, Merry Christmas. Alright y'all, until next time, be blessed.